Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zandu Vigorex Max effectively. To begin, the recommended dosage is 1 capsule, taken 2 times a day. It is best to consume each capsule with milk for optimal absorption. Remember to always carefully read the product label before you start using it to ensure you have all the necessary information. For the best results, aim to take your Zandu Vigorex Max capsules consistently. This means taking 1 capsule in the morning and the second capsule at night. While milk is the preferred liquid for consumption, if you cannot tolerate milk, you can certainly take your capsule with water instead. Adhering to a few key guidelines will help ensure safe and effective use. It is crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage of 2 capsules. If you have any known allergies to the ingredients or are on other medications, please consult a healthcare professional before starting. Always store your capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and out of children's reach. To truly maximize the benefits of Zandu Vigorex Max, consistent use is key. This Ayurvedic formulation is designed to support your stamina, boost energy levels, and help manage stress. For a holistic approach to well-being, combine its use with a healthy diet and regular physical activity to enhance your overall vitality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.